Welcome to the traditional plan. In this video, we'll cover what it is, how it works, and if this is the right strategy for you. Let's get started. The traditional plan is as it sounds. It's a traditional financial plan that has a set deposit and a set withdrawal order. In the deposit phase, it'll allocate into the TFSA first, then RSP, and then non-registered. But most importantly, once in retirement, it'll withdraw from either the RSP, then move on to the non-registered account, and then the TFSA. So it's a valid plan, it's just not optimizing from a tax perspective. Now the traditional plan also allows you to drag and drop your own order. So if you wanted to prioritize non-registered before the RSP, you're able to do so, or stick to the default and prioritize melting down your RSP first. You do have flexibility there. Now the traditional plan only takes roughly 20 seconds to run because it's not optimizing from a tax perspective. So if you quickly want to make a change and just see the impact it has on the plan, the traditional plan is a fast and quick way to do so. Now the traditional plan is different from Optiml's goal-based plans because it has a preset order, whereas the goal-based plans do not follow a set deposit or withdrawal order. It looks at the type of strategy you're running, it runs hundreds of thousands of simulations to determine what is the most tax efficient strategy.